Hey, so today we're gonna make this cutting board from wood chunk. But before that, I want to thank you for your support. A few days ago we reached the 100 subscribers. So for everyone who's not subscribed, subscribe to be part of the exclusive 100 club. And we will reach the 1000 in no time. So I want to do a subscriber special. If you have any wishes for that, please let me know. So without further ado, let's get started. I don't have a band, so I don't know. I figure I chisel the bulk way and then plane it. Nah, that will take too long. I don't want now. It doesn't feel right. Back to chiseling. That is taking way too long. So, but I have an idea. I will use a circular saw, hand saw, and saw basically lines like this so that I can hammer them off. Let's see if that is working. Ha! Perfect. Best idea ever. It's still quite rough, and of course since the two sides were parallel from the beginning, it's really uneven. So what I have to do now is clean up of the surface and then probably add the cut here. I want to preserve some of this live edge here, but I don't want such a sharp edge here, so I will probably cut there. So I don't know why, but this plane worked really well, better than the others. I guess it's since the blade is smaller, I need less force to get anything done, and also in this rough terrain here, I could cut a lot of material. Otherwise, if the width is larger, then probably you won't cut so much material if it's uneven. Yeah, so I guess it's still a little bit off. So here we have something like 5 centimeters, and here it's 4, so I have to remove 1 centimeter here and then flatten it, but I hope the bulk of the work is done. Okay, so I have enough of planing, now time to switch to the belt sander. Just realized that this surface is not parallel. So you see here, these are 3 centimeters and here, well, 4. And also the back side of this board is not flat. See that actually in the middle there's a high spot. So back to planing. So I sanded everything back down with the belt sander with the 80 grit, and now I want to cut these edges here because I think they're too sharp, and also I need to remove bark here, and then it's basically only sanding and applying oil finish and put some feeds here. So at this time I would normally use linseed oil to finish this cutting board, but this time I want to try something different and use olive oil, which you would use for cooking. only 2 coats of oil, olive oil, the wood stopped absorbing the oil. So I guess we're done here, and only time will tell how good the finish is. I will use the board now for some time and then come back and check. If you're interested how it's turned out, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.